Welcome back. In the last video, we have discussed about some of the digits. Okay, so now in this program, we'll be discussing about this video. We'll talk about the sum of the n numbers and natural numbers. Okay, in mathematics, if you are saying that we have n natural numbers, then the sum of is given by n is equal to n as equal to n into n plus one divided by two. Right? That is what we know in mathematics. Okay, simple. Sum of n natural numbers is as equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so we can easily do this. You can simply, if it is given that n is 10, so 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, you'll get 55 itself. But these same programs we can do in C programming using loop. Okay, so what we have to do is that we just see some of n numbers. Let us say n is 5 itself. So 5 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. No? So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 15. Right? So for 5, we have 15. So we are just adding 1 with 2 with 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. So what we're going to do, whenever the user will say, I want to find the sum of n numbers, n natural numbers. So we'll get the n value, right? Which is supposed to say 5. So simply we'll start adding. We'll start first, we'll take 1 and then we'll add it with 2. Then whatever result we have, we will add with 3. Whatever result we'll add with 4. And whatever result we have, it will be add with 5. Okay. So let us do. So let me initialize one variable and okay, and one I. Yes. So printf, okay, enter the value of n. Okay. Yes. Scanf percentage the ampersand. Okay, right? So I'm getting till where I need to find the sum of these natural numbers. So I consider this as n, right? So I want to enter the value of n. If we say it is 10 or if it is 20 or whatever it is. Okay. So now, as I was telling, I have to go for till all the n numbers. So simply I will start a for loop for I equal to 0. Okay. I less than n, right? Because we are talking about till n, right? And we are not writing I equal to 1. So we are writing I equal to 0. So that means it should go less than n. Okay, right? Fine. Then what we're going to do is that we need to get the sum. So I declare a variable sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, yes. And and the sum. I declare a variable. I declare the variable sum equal, and as I will put sum equal to 0. Otherwise, I will get garbage value. Yes. So now let me execute. So let me say first the value of 5 is n is 5. So oh sorry, I have not put. Each time I'm doing the same mistake. Printf the sum of n. Okay, percentage the numbers is percentage d. Okay, right? So sum of n numbers is equal to sum, full stop. Yes, let the value of n is 5. The sum of 5 numbers is 10. Oh, how it is 10? Something wrong. 1 minute. I just let me check. Right? The biggest mistake I have done here is that I have not considered n. I have started the loop with 0 itself. Right? But what we are doing is that we are trying to find a till n. Okay, and there is no 0, it's starting from 1. So that means I have to put here 1 and I will put this is equal to n. Okay, now we'll have this 15. So the value n is 5. Yes, it is. The sum of 5 numbers is 15. Okay. Yes. So it's very easy. If you want to find out sum of the n numbers, so whatever it is means we have n numbers, so the loop will go from n. So the loop will start from I equal to 1 and it will go till n. Okay. And then we just simply write sum equal to sum plus I, because what we are doing is nothing but we are adding the natural numbers, right? Okay, starting from 1 till n we are talking about. So sum equal to sum plus y. And at the end, okay, we are simply writing the sum of whatever numbers, suppose 5, 10, 15 numbers is nothing but this particular sum. Okay, yes, the same program we can do using this particular formula also, but this is one of the good example of, for understanding the for loop, right? Is that, sum of the n numbers. So we take the value of n from the user, and we do a loop to iterate till n again, and then we are summing each of this particular number till n, and at the result we get the answer. Okay, I hope it is clear.